Hello friends, today we will see a lecture on change the voice. Okay, for the example, he will he will finish the work in a fortnight. Usually what they do is bring the first words to the last step and the last words to the first place. That is not the way to change the voice. Actually what you should do is find the verb, find the subject, find the object. Then subject goes to object's place, object goes to subject's place. That is the way to change the voice. How to find the verb? Verb means action done by a noun. In this example, the action done by a noun is finish. Of course, we will take the helping verb also as the verb. Will finish is the verb. Second step, find the subject, the noun which does the action. Here, who is finishing? He. He will finish. Therefore, he is the subject. Next, find the object. How to find the object? You have to learn this formula. Ask what and whom after the verb, then both the answers are objects. So, we will see how to find the object. Will finish what? After the verb, you ask what? Will finish what? The verb. Therefore, the verb is the object. Okay, the second object will finish whom? No answer. So, in this example, there is only one object. Now, we shift the object to the subject's place and subject to the object's place. Of course, you know that AV means active voice and PV means passive voice. So, I am writing the PV. So, I brought the verb forward and him to the object's place. Object has gone to subject's place and subject has gone to object's place. Then the rest of the sentence, how to frame, we will see now. Same helping verb you have to use. If it is will here, you have to write the same helping verb will in the passive voice also. Next step, form of be. Suppose active voice there is ing, in passive voice you have to write be. If in active voice there is have or has or had, then in passive voice you have to write been. If in active voice there is will or shall, then in passive voice you have to write be. In this example, there is will. Therefore, we write be in the passive voice. Will be. Then, next step, add V3. V3 you know is the past participle or the past perfect form of the verb. V3 finish, finished, finished. So V3 is finished. Then the last step, add by after the verb. So will be finished by him. Then we cannot omit any words which are there in active voice. So in a fortnight will remain in the last place only. So we have solved this example correctly, successfully. And if you follow these steps, any difficult example you will definitely be able to solve from active to passive voice. Now, we go on to the second example. First step, find the verb. Verb is compelled. If it ends with ed, it is definitely a verb only. Next step, find the subject, the noun which does the action. Who is forcing? Who is compelling? We. is the subject. Next step, find the object. You have to remember this formula. Without this formula, you cannot change the voice. Ask what and whom after the verb. Compared what? No answer. Compared whom? Okay, we compared whom? The enemy. Therefore, the enemy is the object. Now, next step, you change, in order to change from active to passive voice, you're shifting the subject to the object's place and the object to the subject's place. So, what will come in the beginning? The enemy. Then, subject goes to object's place. Us. Then, next step, same helping verb. There is no helping verb. If in active voice, no helping verb, then in passive voice, write is, are, was, were. This is in past simple. Therefore, we write was. The enemy was. Next, form of be. Ing is there in the example? No. Have, has, had is there in the example? No. Will, shall is there in the example? No. So don't write form of be. Next, add V3. V3 is compelled. V1, V2, V3. Compel, compelled, compelled. So V3 is compelled. Then add by. By us. To surrender will be in the last place only. To surrender. So, this is the correct answer. The we compelled the enemy to surrender. The enemy was compelled